Want to learn?
Yes, sir.
Then show me that jab.
Belts on! Fighters to the center!
I can do this.
Too slow, kid.
1, 2...
Where have you been? You look a mess.
I had a fight.
A fight?
After I told you. I lost, okay? It's not fair!
You think you can talk back to me? Huh?
Sorry,
Next time? Nah, forget it.
And the crowd is on its feet as the white challenger takes another hit. What a right hand by the champion!
Ignore them, kid. You've got this. Quick feet, sharp mind.
Folks, it's the tiniest contender in Fight Night history. Try not to blink or you might miss him getting flattened. And we're off.
Whoa, did you see that?
Unbelievable. The kitten knocks out the Bengal in the first round.
You really did it, huh? Knocked him out cold.
I won, Dad. I brought it all home.
Boxing's not a life. It's dangerous.
It's her victory, Leon. She fought for it. Let her be proud.
You're not boxing in this house. Out!
Marcus, please.
I said out!
Oh, sweetie. Hi, I don't have anywhere else to go.
You got heart, kid. Heart's well.
Breathe. Keep those paws up.
Yes, coach.
Faster on the rope. Light on the toes. Good. Drive through the bag. Use the hips.
Got it.
One day you'll thank me for this. Hey, eyes forward. That day will come when you're ready. Jab, cross, roll, hook, ha, 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 again. Beautiful. Stronger every round. Ladies and gentlemen, the crowd favorite, Tiger Paw.
Every fight feels bigger, every punch louder. I love it.
Another knockout for the undefeated champ.
Fame's great, but it's nothing without the work. It's mornings on the treadmill, nights with the bag, and the belief that I can keep getting better.
The arena's shaking tonight.
Bell rings. Here we go.
Tabby's quick on his feet, but the Brit Shorthair's got the power.
Ooh, heavy right hand lands from the blue cat.
Tabby goes down.
3, 4, 5.
He's stirring.
Back up and firing.
What a barrage!
Left, right, uppercut.
The Shorthair's collapsing. He's out.
8, 9, 10.
Let's go.
We're so proud of you.
I couldn't have done it without you.